when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. We have some beef back ribs right here. We're about to chop them up, then we'll clean them. We have our cooking baking soda, white vinegar, and a lemon. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and give it a nice little clean, and make sure you pull off the membrane. Some salt. We'll just clean it. Remember, go rinse all that out. Some white vinegar. You can use as much as you want. Drop your lemons in there. Squeeze the juice out. You can do this over the sink. And just rub it around. Open up your lemon, rub it around. Then we'll give it a nice rinse. And go pat it dry with some napkins. Alright, so now it's time to give it a nice seasoning. Garlic powder. Dash seasoning. Italian seasoning. We're going to add a little vegetable oil so that seasoning can stick. Okay, so everything is nice and seasoned. Now we'll go ahead and add a little water. But first I'm going to add me a little vinegar. This helps tenderize your meat. Now remember, a little bit of vinegar go a long ways. So we'll add our water. That's all we need right there. Now I'm gonna wrap it up with some aluminum foil. My oven is preheated on 400. So I'll see y'all in an hour and a half. Okay, so here go an hour and 30 minutes with the aluminum foil on. Now we'll give it 20 more minutes with the aluminum foil off. Back in the oven. Okay, so we didn't need the whole 20 minutes. We used 12 minutes. And look, it's nice and tender. Look at that. You know what I mean? Just take your fork and stick it right through there. Boom. So you know that's gonna melt in your mouth, not in your hand. So now we're gonna make our little sauce. So I have a little bit of butter in the pan. Just to start it off. I'm not gonna put no onions and no bell peppers, nothing like that. So we have a half a cup right here of brown sugar. We have a half a cup of ketchup. We have some orange juice right here. Oyster sauce. We're gonna do same, like a half a cup oyster sauce. We'll keep on mixing this around until it comes together. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and set our ribs in there. Instead of making barbecue sauce, you can just make your own little sauce just put together. You know what I mean? Follow your taste bud. Alright, so here we go right here. Little ribs looking good. Nice little put together sauce. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Now I'm about to put this good food on a nice plate. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And please hit that like button. Thumbs up. Show love. Appreciate it. And share the video if you don't mind. Okay, so here we go right here. I made it happen in this good kitchen. The beef back ribs is so tender. A little put together sauce. Fire. Fire. How the mashed potatoes, the green beans. Did my thing in here. Look at that. And like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.